Hi there, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to guide you through some exercises to help you relieve some of this lower back pain. Let me set my iPad down here. One of the things that we're going to need for our workout today is a light resistance band. We're not going to use it right in the beginning, but I just want you to go ahead and have that close by. And then I also have my remote. All right, so let's get our boards turned on. I hit the third button down, the manual button, and it immediately turns the board on. You've got 10 minutes, it loads on there for you, and it starts at a level 1. If this is your first time or you're a beginner, you're going to start on a 1, and then you're slowly going to progress. We actually recommend that you start on a 1, then work to 2, 3, all the way up to a 10. Also, your doctor can prescribe the desired intensity that you need for your body. Okay, so I'm going to set my remote down. The first thing that we're going to do is just step up on our board. I'm going to plant my feet nice and flat into the board, and we're going to check our posture. Okay, I'm going to stand upright. I've got my shoulders stacked on top of my hips. My body's not slumped over. I'm nice and upright. My chin is lifted. I'm not looking at the sky, but it's not tucked to my chin. Remember, your neck is an extension of the spine. Good. And my shoulders aren't just down, but they're back. So many of us, we do stand, tight chest, shoulders rounded. Good. I've got a nice soft bend in the knee. Now let's add some breath work to this. Sounds fancy. All we're just going to do is breathe. All right. Be very aware. Let's take a deep breath in and let that air out. Good. Another deep breath in. Feel the ribs expand. Exhale out. Excellent job. Keep it up. Deep breath in and out. Feeling the belly contract. Let all of that air out. Good. One more. Deep breath in and out. Excellent. Carefully step off of your board. That was a full minute. That's what a minute feels like on this board. That is going to be our theme for today. Every exercise that we do is 1 minute with a 30-second rest in between. All right, this next time, we're just going to stand back up on our board again. Let's go ahead and do that. Plant those feet, stand up. I've got my feet hip width apart, which is roughly 2 fists. If you put those there and tuck your shoes in, I can see walking right there. So go ahead and get that beautiful upright posture position. We're going to talk about this a lot. Okay, my hips are also tucked in. Some of us stand a little arched, the lower and anterior pelvic tilt. Sorry, lost my words there for a second. So you're very aware of your core here. Take a deep breath in and out. You can even rest one hand on the chest and one on the belly if you like. Deep breath in and out. Good. Keep that up. And out. Let the tension come back out of your shoulders. Deep breath in and out. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Last time. And out. Good. Go ahead and step off of your board. We're going to do that one more time. Go ahead and remember, shoulders over the hips. Okay, so we stack those up. We have a soft bend in those knees. We don't want to lock our knees out to go right in line with our body. Okay, we want to let those vibrations come all the way through and they get stuck there, and it's bad for our knees if we lock them out. Okay, so stepping back up onto your board. Shoulders are back. Hips in under you as well. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Good. You can go hands at heart center and on the belly again. So you can feel that chest and the belly rise because we're filling our bodies with so much air, letting it out. Feeling that core contract as we let every bit of that breath out. Deep breath in and out. Also smoothing out some of that tension and that anxiety that we carry on a day-to-day basis. Do a lot of shallow breathing in just the chest area in our fight or flight phase. We want to smooth all of that out. One more. And out. Beautiful job. All right, carefully step off of your board. The next exercise that we're going to do is one of my favorites. It's a great way to open up the hamstrings and the glutes and releasing that lower back, which we can all benefit from. You've stepped on this board today because you do have some lower back pain probably, and this is great. Your toes are going to be forward. Let me go ahead and give you an example. Hands are here across the chest, resting on the shoulders. You're going to stand up nice and straight and tall like we just did. Soft knees, and we're going to pivot right here at the hips. Leaving the chin up so our neck stays in a nice straight line. Okay, don't let it round. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's take that bow. Hips pressing to the back of the room. I've got a slight bend in my knee at the beginning, but that's it. All right, now let's link that breath. Inhale on the way down. Exhale up. Good. Keeping our tummy pulled in, nice and strong, nice flat back. If you're not able to bend over as far as I'm going, that's completely okay. You're just going to stop where your body lets you and then drive it right back up. Very good. Let's take a bow again. Over and up. Not letting the back arch too bad or letting the chin, see how this rounds when you do that, and back up. One more. Here we go. Let's take a bow. And up. Very good. Let's take a step off of our board, carefully stepping backwards, and take our 30-second rest. You can also keep a foot engaged with the board if maybe you like the way those vibrations feel. We're going to do this 2 more times. So this is a hip hinge. We're very aware of that core, protecting that lower back, of course. And then just stretching through. Maybe each time in each set, you'll feel yourself get a little further over and over, okay? All right, here we go. Stepping back up on the board, rolling my shoulders back, crossing. Maybe you want to switch which arm is on top. Don't overthink it too much. So check your posture before you start. Shoulders over the hips, soft knees. Let's go. Take a deep breath in. And up. Nice job, team. Stopping right there at the top. Good. And up. For this one, we're stopping right here. We're not pushing the hips forward. And up. Straight as a stick. Good. Inhale over. Use your exhale. Don't forget to breathe. Keep that chin in the same spot. Don't let it tuck towards your chest, okay? Keeping the back nice and flat, not letting it round. This is a nice reminder, the hands on the shoulders, to keep those shoulders pressed back. Helps us keep that nice flat back. Okay, keep it up. Just a couple more. Take this down and up. And last one. And up. Very good. Let's step off. We only have one more of those left. Reminder, do not lock these knees out. Okay, we want to let those vibrations come through. So on our way up, we really have to use those muscles to get us up. Yes? Very good. Proud of you for showing up for yourself today, doing the work, helping your body get stronger, feel better. We could all use that right now. All right, step up here for me. Flat feet. So at all times, my feet are flat in the board. I'm not going to roll my weight out on the outside or the inside. Hip width apart. Cross those shoulders over the, or cross those hands over the shoulders. All of those little things you've learned so far today. Okay, hips in under the shoulders, shoulders over the hips. Nice strong tummy, soft knees. Let's take a bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3. Very good. Inhale down. Exhale up. Good. Opening the hamstrings, the glutes, releasing that lower back. That's what it's all about. Keeping that tummy nice and strong. What does that mean when I say tummy nice and strong? One little tip that you can do, I say pull your belly button in like you're trying to touch your spine. It makes me very aware of my lower abdominal muscles. Good. Keep it up. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, then up. Good. My board stopped. I ran out of minutes. I didn't remind you to do that. Good. So maybe you remembered. We only have a couple more. And up. I'm going to give myself one more since my board stopped. Don't want to shortcut myself or my workout. And up. Beautiful job. Now is a good time if you need to add minutes to your board. You can either turn it off and back on, or simply the last row is just time and you just add those minutes to it. All right. So hip hinge, we kept those shoulders back. Now I want you to take those stretches all the way to the lower back. We're just going to do a forward flexion. We're going to do toe touches. Okay. We're going to come up here and we're going to reach towards those toes. And you can let that lower back just release and find those stretches through your lower back. Okay. And then on your way up, just going to kind of roll it up and stand tall, remembering not to hyperextend. There, we have something for that in just a few minutes. So my posture is upright. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's begin. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. I understand not everybody can touch their toes. So even if this is as far as you can go, that's fine. We're going to get further and further every time. Keep showing up for yourself. I promise it'll get better. Good. Reaching towards those toes and roll it up. I want you feeling these stretches through that lower back. Good. Just take it down and up. For these, I am letting the chin come in a little bit closer to the chest. It helps me get a nice stretch through there. And up. Good. You guys look great. Keep it up. We're almost there for our first minute. So these are forward flexions or just toe touches. Okay. Great way to warm that body up. Releasing that lower back and rest. Beautiful job. We're just powering through this first few exercises. So we're already on our third exercise today. We have 5 planned for this this specific video. Again, as you get better and better, more range of motion, we want to keep moving that intensity level up, okay? Some of you are probably already thinking, I can already go to a 2. It's great. Here we go. Where's your posture at? Check yourself. I want you checking yourself throughout your day, even when you're not on this board. You're like, oh, what's my posture look like? Most of us stand like this a lot. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's reach for those toes. Good. Letting the back round just ever so slightly. Okay, we do want you to get some stretch through that lower back. That's what it's about. Let's feel better. When we feel better, we do better. We're more productive. We're happier. We're also elevating our heart rate today, which is so important. Strengthening our muscles, sending those endorphins throughout our body. Our brain loves those. Getting that range of motion back. Good. Exhale over. And up. Good. Stopping right at the top. Exhale over. Reaching for those toes. If you're getting so flexible, you need further, you can reach past the board. And up. Good. Your competition is yourself. Trying to get better and better each time you come to the board, to your workouts. Good. Are you breathing? And exhale up and done. Very good. How does that feel? Yes? Good. Awesome work. All right. Take a breath here. We're going to do it one more time. And then we're going to move to our banded squats. All right. Here we go. Feet on the board. Let's keep this progress moving. Shoulders back. Let's reach for those toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We're working our muscles. We're stretching, sending those vibrations through the body. Everything's happening. And deep breath in. Releasing that lower back. Pull it up. Proud posture. Good. Take it down. And bring it up. Proud posture. Good. Keep those movements going. And up. Let's do 2 more. Here we go. And roll it up. Last one. And up. Very good. All right. Banded squats are next. We're going to place this band. We're slip it up over our legs like a pair of pants, and it's going to go right about here. Not on your knees. You don't want it to pull your knees in. You want it a little bit above. Okay. If you need to rest on something to keep you from falling over, that is completely okay. We want you to be as safe as possible. So I'm going to get that band on there right about here. Okay. What we don't want at any point is for it to pull our knees in. It's the exact opposite of what we're trying to do. Press those knees out, feel those muscles activate. Okay. So I'm going to step up on my board. My feet are about shoulder width apart. So I've already got a nice resistance in this band. It's going to be different for different people. I would start with a very light resistance band. They come in extra light, light, medium, and so on. So my feet are forward. I'm going to push my hips back first like we did in our hip hinge, and then I'm going to add the knees. I'm going to have a little seat. Okay, keep that spine nice and neutral, hips underneath you. Keep the back from rounding. All right. Hands here at the chest or right here in front of you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's have a seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Good. Sitting those hips back, keeping my chest upright. Having the arms out here in front of you is a great option. One, it's just making your body work hard to hold those arms up, strengthening our upper body a little bit as well. But it's also a great way to tell us if we are rounding at the top, okay? Keeping those arms up and flat, palms straight will show us if we're keeping that body upright. Yes? Give it a try. Maybe you noticed that you were starting to do that. And back. If this becomes too much, you can just bring it back here and up. Good. We're almost there, team. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, and last one. Here we go. And up. Very good. Carefully step off of your board. We're just going to leave this band here so we don't have to put it back on every time. Good. How are you feeling? Yes? Very good. All right. Remember, we're breathing. We're going to take an inhale on our way down. Exhale as we push our body through the board. Keeping that neutral spine, shoulders back. Don't keep them back so much that the lower back starts to arch. It's exactly what we are trying to fight against for some of us with the anterior pelvic tilt. So we want to keep our muscles here in the front engaged so that tailbone points straight to the ground and not the wall. Okay. All right, let's step back up here. Shoulder width apart, feet are flat into the board. Make sure we don't have our weight on one side or the other. Body stays right here in the center, shoulders are back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3. If you're a beginner and this is our range of motion, that's okay. That's a quarter squat. You're doing a squat and it counts, okay? We just progress from there. And up. Standing upright. Not coming up so much where we're pushing forward. That's what we don't want to do right now. Low and up. Our hips pressed behind us. That keeps our weight out of our knees. And up. I do want your chin up, but if you take a peek down and your knees are so far over your toes that you can't see your toes anymore, really think about pushing your weight further behind you. Okay? And up. Good. Let's take a deep breath in. And press it up. Last one. Here we go, team. 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. Are you feeling warm? Your muscles working? Good. You're going to feel so great after your workout today. All right. Small little rest here. Again, you can stay on the board or disconnect for a few seconds while you get that rest. All right, let's step back up here. Last set of squats. Yes, are you excited? Good. Arms forward, shoulders back, very aware of my tummy. Let's send that tailbone to the ground. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, then up. 2, 3. Good. You may need to add some minutes to your board. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Excellent work, team. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4, and up. Good. If your range of motion is there, you can shoot for a full squat if you want to. Or if maybe you're at a quarter squat, maybe you trust yourself, push a little bit further into that half squat. Excellent job. Proud of you for showing up for yourself today and every day that you do that. Progress comes with consistency. Good. Deep breath in. Press it up. One more, team. Last one of the day. And up. Very good. You can leave this band on or you can remove it. All right. If you need to hold on to the wall or go for it there, or if you need to sit down to remove that, that is okay. So on this next one, we're going to do a hyper extension, which is what I was telling you not to do earlier, but we're going to focus just on that. Okay, we're going to stretch this lower back. I'm going to move my microphone around here. Get that out of the way so I can do my best exercise here. Hands are going to be here across the chest. I've got those hips tucked in underneath me. Nice athletic stance. And we're going to bend backwards. It's a very small movement. And you're really going to feel that in the back, but also through the front. Okay. When we go this way, we're lengthening these muscles, contracting back here. Very aware of your core, strong tummy. Kind of pull that belly button in. So we're protecting our bodies. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's take a deep breath in. And up. Good. Feet are flat in that board. Deep breath in. We're shifting that weight backwards. And then we're challenging ourselves on the way up. We're strengthening our core, which is not just the front. It's not just our six-pack. There's a lot going on in there, all right? It's all the way around. Nice, strong core. And up. Keeping those knees slightly bent. Inhale. Exhale, up. How is this one? Is this easy? Is this maybe the most challenging exercise that you've done today? Inhale back. Exhale. Right to the top. Don't let it send you too far forward. It's not a swing movement. You're going to come up and hold right in there. Okay? Call it using your body brakes. What I don't want is you to just tick-tock back and forth. Okay? Here. And up. Let's do one more. Take it back. And up. Small rest. Team, we have 2 sets of those left, and you are done with your workout today. Very good. How do you feel? Yes, I know we can't talk, but hopefully your answer is better or sweaty or something. Whatever you're feeling, at least you're feeling it, all right? You're making progress by showing up, by doing these exercises. Stick with it. I promise you're going to feel a lot better. All right, take a deep breath in Let's go. Exhale or inhale back. And then I like to exhale up to help me really contract those muscles. Good. Nice, strong breathing techniques. Inhale and up. I want you taking cleansing breaths like this throughout your day. Okay. Try to be more mindful, more purposeful with our breathing. Back. And bring it up. Very good. Keeping those knees slightly bent, nice and soft. We're not locking them out. Nice athletic stance. Take it back. And up. Let's reach back again. And up. Feeling those contractions in the lower back. Lengthening through the core here in the front. Pull it up. Do 2 more of those, team. Here. And up. And last one. Back. And up. Beautiful job. Good. Catching your breath, taking a break, or staying connected. Try not to sit down if possible, just keeping that heart rate up. We only have 1 more set and you'll be done for today. Good. Do a little twist if you want. All right, last set. You can switch the arms if you want. Leave them the same every time. Shoulders are back. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Let's finish our workout. And back extension. And up. Good. Here. And up. Squeeze. Lock in on those abs. Probably becoming more aware of your body and the muscles that are working, which is great. Learning how to control our body, being aware of our muscles, and how to contract and release them. We did lots of stretching today in our workouts. We focused on our breathing, which is beautiful, which is important. And up. Inhale, let's take that back. And up. And last one. And up. Beautiful job, guys. Let's go ahead and sweep those arms up. Final breath. Exhale out. Beautiful job. I will see you very soon on your next workouts. Y'all have a great day.